Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the file and assets so edits are safe and fast. Open the duplicated PSD. Make sure you have Adobe Photoshop CC 2019 or newer for Smart Object compatibility. Once open, locate the Layers panel and the Smart Object layers identified by the icon. Those are your editable areas. Import your high-resolution images and install any missing fonts because mismatched type alters layout. Also, set rulers and guides now, so alignment will be consistent as you replace elements. Now you modify the template content and control the composition. Double-click each Smart Object thumbnail to open its source file, paste or place your image, then save that document so the main PSD updates automatically. While back in the main file, tweak layer masks to reveal or hide areas and set blending modes or opacity for natural composites. Also, edit text layers with the character panel, change fonts, tracking, and line height, and then review the layout at 100% to verify visual balance. Finish by organizing and exporting your deliverables so files are predictable and reusable. Group related layers, name them clearly, and turn off any hidden or reference layers. Once done, export assets using export as for PNG or WebP, and use save for web only when you need legacy JPG compression controls. Save a flattened export at the final dimensions, and then save the layered PSD as the master. If something goes wrong, check Smart Object links and font substitutions first. Relinking or reinstalling fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.